Today's topic is sharpness of resonance. Okay, in our last video we had seen about resonance, resonant frequency, resonant angular frequency, that is omega 0 equal to 1 by root LC. Okay, now in LCR circuit, okay, if I take LCR circuit, the amplitude of the current, that is maximum current, formula for that is Vm upon under root of R plus omega L minus 1 by omega C whole square, or as I can also write down XL minus XC. Whether I am writing XL minus XC or XC minus XL, it doesn't make any difference because it is a square. Okay, so I am taking this formula. Now what happened at resonant frequency, at resonant angular frequency, at resonant angular frequency, omega 0 is equal to 1 by root LC, and we also know that omega L is equal to 1 by omega C. So at that time, Im is equal to Vm upon R. Here this is the value of maximum current, and this value Im is maximum. So at resonant frequency, this value of current is maximum. Value of maximum current is highest. Okay. So now see, if I draw a graph. If I draw a graph of Im versus omega, okay, let's draw this graph. Here, these are different values of maximum current. Okay, as we increase the value of omega, the value of maximum current is amplitude of current increases. At this value, okay, at this value means omega equal to omega 0 means resonant frequency. We get Im maximum value of current. So this is Im maximum. So the power dissipated at that time means power dissipated when omega equal to omega 0 is maximum. Okay, now we know that P is proportional to I square, right? We know that power P is proportional to I square. Okay, if I want half power, then at that time the current must be I equal to I by root 2. Means for P dash equal to P by 2, I must be equal to I by root 2, because when you make it square, it will be half. Okay, so when the maximum value of Im, okay, when the maximum value of when the value of Im is half the value of Im max, means this is the value of Im max. We will take this value, means I can write down here Im max by 2. What will happen at this step? The power dissipated will become half. Okay? So I can write down that power dissipated reduces to half when Im becomes Im max by root 2. Okay, it's root 2. So this value of the maximum current, the power will be half. Now if we will focus on the graph, then there are two such positions when we will get the value Im by root 2. Okay, we get two such values. Sorry, there is a mistake here. It's not Im max by 2, it's Im max by root 2. Okay, power is half, so here it will be somewhere. Im max by root 2. And here there are two positions. This let's name it as omega 1 and let's name this as omega 2. Okay, so this occurs at two positions when omega is equal to omega 1 and omega equal to omega 2. Clear? So now see, I can write down this omega 1 and omega 2. What is this? Omega 0 plus delta omega, that will be equal to omega 1. So omega 1 plus delta omega, that will be equal to, omega 0 plus delta omega. Okay, and omega 2, omega 0 minus delta omega. Clear? So these are the two frequencies. Okay, now when I take difference, omega 1 minus omega 2. What I will get? Omega 0 plus delta omega minus omega 0, so this will get cancelled. Okay, and that minus plus, so delta omega plus delta omega, 2 delta omega. So the difference in these frequencies will be 2 delta omega, and this is called the bandwidth. Okay, this is the bandwidth. This is the bandwidth. Clear? And the factor like delta omega, omega 0 upon 2 delta omega, factor omega 0 upon 2 delta omega, that is called the sharpness of curve. Here you have seen the sharpness of resonance, that is sharpness of curve. Okay, means Q factor that is equal to omega 0 upon this bandwidth 2 delta omega. This is called the sharpness of resonance. Clear? Okay, so the value of Q factor, this is also called as Q factor. Its value is omega 0 upon delta omega. Clear? So this is the first part of sharpness of resonance. First note it down and then we will move further and derive the formula for Q factor. Okay, so first note down this. Now, let's take that the angular frequency is omega 1. Okay? So now, at omega equal to omega 1. Okay? What is the formula for maximum current? That is Vm upon under root of R square plus omega L, so I write as omega 1L minus 1 by omega 1 C. Clear? Square. Now we know that at this time what is the value of maximum current? Im max by root 2. Right? This is Im max by root 2. Right? So I can write down this as equal to Im max by root 2. Okay, and that I can write down as, what happens when this, at this time this position equal to same at angular frequency at Im max. What is the value for Im max? Vm by R. Okay, so instead of Im max I am writing Vm by root 2R from 1. Clear? Say at omega equal to omega 1, the formula for maximum current will be equal to Vm upon under root of r square plus omega L minus 1 by omega c whole square. Okay, but we know that from the graph at this time the value of Im is equal to Im max by root 2. So Im max by root 2. Now the formula for Im max is Vm by R from here, because this both will get cancelled here. So it's R. So now if I equate these two things, see Vm. This term in the denominator and this term in the denominator, both are same. Both will be same because the numerator is same. So I can write down root 2r will be equal to under root of r square plus omega 1l minus 1 by omega c whole square. Squaring on both the sides, we will get 2r square, root 2 square 2r square equal to r square plus omega 1l minus 1 by omega 1c. Okay, square, yes. So now when this goes on this side, 2r square minus 1, we will get r square equal to omega 1l minus 1 by omega 1c whole square. Okay, now we can take square root. Let's carry it here. From that equation, let's name this equation 2. So I'm writing here, from 2 I will get r equal to omega l minus 1, sorry, no, it's omega 1l minus 1 by omega 1c. Clear? Now what is omega 1? Omega 0 plus delta omega. Okay? So r will be equal to omega 0 plus delta omega L minus 1 upon omega 0 plus delta omega C. Clear? So now say if I take omega 0 common, I can't take it, so I will divide it this way. Okay? Multiply, divide by omega 0. So omega 0 and this L. It will be 1 plus delta omega by omega 0. See, omega 0 into 1, omega 0. Omega 0 gets cancelled, so delta omega. Same way in the denominator here, omega 0 c 1 plus delta omega by omega 0. Okay? Now we know that at angular frequency, omega 0 L, that is equal to 1 by root omega c. At resonant frequency, at omega equal to omega 0, we will get omega 0 L equal to 1 by omega 0 c. From there we have to get the formula omega 0 square equal to 1 by root LC. Okay? So let's put this in this place, 1 by omega c. Okay? I will get R is equal to omega 0 L 1 plus delta omega by omega 0 minus 1 by omega 0 C. Again I can add an omega 0 L. Sorry, here we just missed L. It's omega 0 L. So omega 0 L into, now since there is a denominator, so I can write in numerator with the power of minus 1. So 1 plus delta omega by omega 0 whole raised to minus 1. Here, so now using binomial theorem, if I use binomial theorem, if it is 1 plus a by b whole raised to n. When numerator is very less, this will be equal to 1 plus na by b. So what happened? Power gets multiplied here. So we'll use this binomial method here. Okay. Using this, we will get R is equal to omega 0 L 1 plus delta omega by omega 0 minus omega 0 L 1 minus 1, it multiplies here, so it will be minus delta omega by omega 0. And both this we can take omega 0 L common. So this is omega 0 L 1 plus delta omega by omega 0 minus 1, so 1 gets cancelled, minus minus plus, so it will be 2 delta omega by omega 0. So this will get cancelled. Okay, so I only want 2 omega, 2 delta omega. See, bandwidth 2 delta omega. So I want to replace this here. So 2 delta omega, that will be equal to R into R by L. See, R equal to L, 2 delta omega. So 2 delta omega will be R by L. Okay, clear? So let's make this equation as 2. So putting into, what we will get? Q factor, Q will be equal to omega 0 upon 2 R, say 2 delta omega 2 R L. Omega 0 L by 2 R. This is the, sorry, not 2 R, only R, because 2 is here. 2 delta omega replaced by R by L, so R by L. So this is the sharpness of curve, or I will say Q factor. Clear? So this was about sharpness of resonance. So just note it down.